This is how you can download Snapchat on the iPhone. So at first you have to locate the App Store, which looks like this, the blue icon with A on it. You get inside like this, and in at the bottom right corner, we have the search feature. So you can click on a search, and into the top, you just type in the Snapchat, right? Of course, just like any other app, you need to look it up at first. Click on Snapchat, and you now need to click on Get. You click on Get like this. Then double tap the side button and authenticate yourself with the Face ID, or you can as well type in your Apple ID password. It depends on your situation, but you have to confirm it like this. And then now the app is being downloaded to your device. So you can visually see the progress in there. We just have to wait for it to be finished so we can actually start using it. So, of course, it is a social media app, so we need to have an account with it. So once you open it up, you'll have to sign in. If you used any account before, like I did, I can just jump back in, but I can also use another account or sign up if I have never used it before. But I can log in with the account I have saved, and now I'm inside. I have my profile settings, and I can use the app. So that's how you can download and get started with the Snapchat on your iPhone. And definitely subscribe for more quick tips, basic guides, more advanced stuff as well. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll talk to you later.